All right, everyone. Get ready for the adventure of a literal freaking lifetime. My name is Beckett. And I will be your hiking guide and instructor. Take a look behind me. You will see the map of our route. We'll be working our way through some of Connecticut's 51 miles of the Appalachian Trail. And we'll be covering about 30 miles in New York State. It is daunting, but it is beautiful. All right, on our hike, we're going to recreate responsibly. You can see the principles here. They include leave no trace and plan and prepare. That is what we're doing right now. Okay, internalize these.